All right, so this video is going to be about how to open up a zip file. So as you can see, I've got this zip file that I've downloaded from the interwebs, and I'm on a Mac. So there's two ways you could do this. I could just double click it, or I could right click and go to open with archive utility, which is the default apparently on Mac. Now on the PC, it'll probably, you can right click it and go open with, and it'll probably say like Unzip or one of the other tools. But let me do this both ways. Let me copy this. All right, so I have a copy of it. I'm just gonna double click this one. Just gonna open it up. There you go. There's the folder. And then for this one, I'm going to right click and go to open with archive utility. And it's pretty much going to do the same thing. And let me just move these out of the way. And we'll open these folders up. And then here we go. Got two different zip files that I opened up. And so you can see what these are. These are basically just photos in different aspect ratios. So I've just got them all in one zip. So we'll go to the other one as well. So I don't have a PC right now, so I can't show you how to do it on a PC, but it's pretty much the same. You'll find your file wherever it is. It's on the desktop or in the downloads folders or wherever you downloaded it to. And then you're just going to double click it or right click it and then go to open with. Now, obviously you won't have archive utility on a Windows machine. I believe it's Unzip, if I could remember correctly. It's been so long since I've used a PC, but anyway, that's how you do it. Pretty easy. All right, that's it. Thanks.